Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add custom code to Wix. Adding custom code to your Wix website can unlock a world of possibilities, letting you integrate unique features and third-party tools. This easy method allows you to go beyond the standard drag-and-drop options, giving your site a truly custom feel. We will cover the simple steps to get your code up and running smoothly. To begin, log into your Wix account and open your site in the editor. For site-wide code, navigate to your dashboard, then click Settings, and find Custom Code within the Advanced section. This is where you will manage global code snippets. Alternatively, if your code is specific to just one page, you can easily add an Embed HTML widget directly from the editor's Add menu under Embed Code. This offers flexibility for different needs. Once you are in the Custom Code panel, click the Add Custom Code button. Paste your code snippet into the provided text box. Give your code a clear, recognizable name. You can choose to apply this code to all pages or select specific ones. Crucially, decide where to place your code. In one of three sections, the head, body start, or body end, based on your code's requirements. After adding your code, it is vital to test it extensively to ensure everything functions as intended. Remember, Wix does not offer support for technical issues arising from third-party code snippets, so always contact the code provider if problems occur. Also, categorize your custom code, such as essential or marketing, to comply with data privacy regulations like GDPR, ensuring a smooth and compliant user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.